Namaste Oromia, Namaste Ethiopia, Namaste Africa. My name is Ismarika Sai. I'm from Nepal. And thank you so much for the love and respect you've given to us. I'm very grateful to be here. Everybody knows that Ethiopia is very longest history in the world, which is very connected with the ancient civilization. And even it's also called the land of origin because the first human fossils also found in Ethiopia. I love this country and I love the culture. They preserve, they promote their culture. It's amazing. Yeah, we participate in Irisa. It's very beautiful. I love the diverse music, their traditional clothes, their attire. Everything is amazing. I love this. Yesterday we went to ONC. It's very similar to the landscape of the ONC is very similar to my country. Even not ONC, even the landscape of every Ethiopian region is very similar to Nepal. And I request all the Nepalese people to visit Oromia. It's amazing. It's very lovely. Yeah, I request not only Nepalese people but all of people from all over the world. Please visit Oromia. It's amazing. The way they promote their culture, they preserve their culture. Everything is just wow. And we have to visit once in our life. Even though Hamza is born in Ethiopia, he lives and he is an Australian citizen, and he's very good connection with Nepalese people also. We are together from last 2 years. He's a very humble person. He's going to do one project in Nepal to develop mutual relationship between Australia and Nepal government. He's doing very great, I know. And I'm to thanks to Mr. Hamza and more thanks to Commissioner Lelise for giving us this opportunity to visit Oromia and to participate in Richa festival. Thanks to the every peoples for their love, their respect, and I really appreciate that.
Thank you so much. Namaste, Oromia. Namaste, Ethiopia. Namaste, Africa. My name is Gita Sahi. I'm from Nepal. Thank you so much, Oromia Commissioner Lelise. Thank you so much, Oromia Tourism 2024. Thank you so much. Oh my God, amazing feeling, right? Everything, people loving, caring, good hospitality. I am so amazing. I am so happy. Thank you, everyone. Ethiopia or bad news, right? African country, Oromia, Ethiopia, no separate, no security, bad message, right? All country visit Oromia, right? Amazing culture, amazing environment, amazing everything amazing. Good people, good media sector, everything, culture, environment, any traditional or history, amazing. All country visit Oromia.
Namaste. My name is A.K. Sherpa. I'm from Nepal. I was here. Now today is 9 days ago, so we are 10 people is coming from Nepal, all artist group, and we attend in here Oromio week 2024, and wonderful, successful. We did all events, and we are very happy. This is my first time visit in the Ethiopia. So I travel 64 country already before, and this is my 65 time in here. So I'm really appreciate for all of your Ethiopia and Oromia. People are very nice, very kind, very honest, and we are very appreciate. We are together and with the Nepalese and from the Ethiopia, we are going to future jointly culture exchange. So this is my very thanks for all of your people from Ethiopia, Oromia, and very thankful from our side. So we've been yesterday and one chin, very beautiful over there. We spent overnight, and this is my very successful to tour yesterday, and all the you people are very nice. We are very successful this time. Thank you. Oh, Recha is very beautiful culture because lot of colorful, all the dress up, your culture. Also, we wearing also your culture dress, and everybody is participated in the Recha. And we went there, and we were very lucky this time. We been to attach together with your people here and from our Nepal culture group, and we been to Recha. Otherwise, we walk from here to the Recha place. We are very happy to see the Recha festival. It's very nice. Romeo, Romeo is very beautiful because I never see like this, because I travel many country, but your culture is very strong culture. You're very happy culture here, and then in Nepal also very similar. The Nepal also your looks like the dress up culture, and like the countryside and a mountain village agriculture is very similar. Nepal and Ethiopia is not different. So it's very beautiful, very nice. Sure, yeah. I'm very hopeful that you are also from your side is very good cooperation together with from Nepal and Ethiopia. We are going to future again. We do more and more cultural exchange from our side. We are very thanks for your helping there.